In this video, I will show you how to transform a simple jewelry photo into a premium fashion look using ChatGPT, or you can also use Gemini. I am using ChatGPT for this. First, attach your picture from here. Copy this first prompt from video description, paste and submit. Make sure to tell ChatGPT to keep the original jewelry design exactly the same. Wait for few seconds. This is my first prompt result. Also check other prompt result.